Hi, this is an afternoon time. It's around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is the right hand side of the Vele. This is the one which has the light, and as you can see, I've tried to remove as much as possible all those weeds because this video is going to be a video where we are going to kind of catalog all the plants that we have plants, trees, weeds. This is sapota. This I planted. Now the trademark of my planting is right. There will be a hole. My farming is not kalachal based. It is hole based. So now I'm not going to step too much because I know I've also sown some lady's finger seeds, and this one is cinnamon. So not to be confused with that other one. Now that there, 1 minute, I'll just show you a closer look. Right, this one, see, this one I think it is Tripoli. I got it from Pechiparai. I think so, but whatever it is, yeah, this Tripoli, and that one is Coca, the one behind. See, I'm a little surprised that everybody seems around here seems to know about coca and they're planting it, but somehow we seem to have missed that revolution, that coca revolution here. So that one there is elephant yam. I'm little reluctant to step on it because I've sown some lady's finger and already in the other village near the house, whatever I've sown is not come. So this one is pepper. I have sown it deliberately near this neem because the idea is to wrap it around the neem, and if the neem dies that way, great. Okay, so sorry about it. So I'm trying to not step on this because see all mud, this mud, right? Where you see my foot? No. Okay, let me try this one more time. This mud here, all that, right? I have dug it up and I have just sown lady's finger and brinjal. Now, where I sowed lady's finger, where I sown brinjal, I don't know. So, all this kadi patta and mango, which I have kind of left it for emotional reasons. This is iony. Okay, I figured that out. Now, here, right, again, this is pepper. Again, same thing with this. I tied it up with, I'm going to tie it up with this mango tree. So, if the mango tree survives, so be it, great. Now this again, right, is pepper. I'm kind of, this entire stretch is going to be like pepper, full of pepper creepers, God willing. This is again neem. Uh, so the thing about pepper is, right, I don't know whether the pepper sucks the life out of the tree on which it leans on, or what it does, I don't know. See, this place I have not cleaned it up because as you can see, there is some lot of curry leaves here. Just not able to bring myself to cleaning it up, considering the angst that I went through about pulling out. See, this is the thing that this is the area, right? This is where I burnt out that chili plant, right? I mean, I left it here as it is, and not that I burnt it out; it's just burning waste, and it's Maria Das, right? He was shouting at me saying that, hey, how can you burn? Don't burn waste on in this village. But I don't know what else to do with dry leaves. Not burn it here. So can we take it to the neighbor's place to burn it? No, na. Anyway, we'll see that next. So this one, right? This one I don't know whether it is sapota or it could also be jamun. But I'm just leaving it alone. I'm not pulling it out. And this one similarly, right? I don't know whether it is custard apple or again it's raining. Good, good. So now this is cinnamon. Cinnamon. I'm just trying to give some background also. It's near the wall, neighbor's wall, right? Try to dig this up, but see, this is exactly what I wanted. Uh, for 1 year, I've been digging holes all over the place, trying to build some irrigation system, not knowing where the water will come from. But now again, this creeper, I don't know what it is. Just leaving it alone. But yeah, God has been kind. He's given us the water to fill up the holes that I've dug here. So I'm pretty happy about uh, I am consoled that all my digging has not been in waste, right? Now, this is the plant that I really didn't want to plant, but I planted. This is actually a thorn plant. I got it from Kanyakumari's horticultural place. A little sad that finally I am also no better than my forefathers. Right? They also planted thorns to keep the people away. I am also having to do that. So that way it is disheartening, very disheartening. So this one also is coca, I believe. I planted this coca. Okay. So the trademark of whatever I planted, right, would be like this. It will be a small hole around it. I mean, you will figure out then that this guy has dug a hole first and then he's tried to uh, plant the sapling. So that is my style of cooking. No, not cooking, planting. So a little disheartened that nowhere I could not find sapling for the turmeric. Now this is a sapling for clove. Clove. This, the twin is there. I'll just show one more time. This, the twin is across. Okay, so here, this is clove twin, right? So this is coca 1, and I think this is coca 2 or what. Yeah, this is coca 2, and whatever I pointed out there in the other place as coca, maybe support actually. uh, I'm not going back again. Okay. So now this is the kind of weed that we can remove, we should remove, because this is complete waste. This is actually waste. Okay, so no, I'm not too sure about this, but this is the spot which I really grieve over, because see, this is where I uprooted. Actually, to be very precise, this is the place where I uprooted the turmeric, and I wanted to replant, but I just couldn't. I guess some sins we cannot atone for, you know. So this is again yam. I don't know if this is for something which I planted. It just came up. I don't know. Again, this is something which I grieve over, but there's no option, right? Because as the walls start crumbling here, right, there's no option. We have to have these thorns put in. I don't know what else we can do better. Maybe we'll have to think through this a little better and come next time. Wow, look at this. Just look at this mud which is just sinking in. This is exactly why I dug up. I'm very happy that this is come up. Anyway, not to boast, but I'm consoled as much as I'm disturbed and unconsolable about the things that I've uprooted here, right? So I'm much consoled. See, now I'm scared to remove this weed. This, it may be a weed, it's a creeper. I don't know what it is creeping on and what it is. I have no idea. So this one definitely is a thorn. But again, this is not something which I planted, but the thorn which I planted um, is here, right here. And in my earlier video also I've recorded this, but it's a little sad. I'm not happy about planting these thorns here. I'm actually quite uh, unconsolable. Here again I've planted this thorn plant, not the one on the left side. You see that on the right. I don't know what type of planting this is. Right, I just left it here like this. This is not good planting. This should be. I don't know where it is going. I have not covered it properly. This should be covered with the sand properly. Really good that we found it. I'm kind of absent-minded. I left it here as it is. I do want it to grow up. Yeah, that's the thorn. Okay, enough of grieving over it. So again,